Welcome back, guys. Today we're preparing another wellness booster shots. Very good for our immune system at this time because we're going into the cold season. I already have one that I made early on this year, and I'll link that in the description box and also on the iCard. Getting a lot of feedback on that one, so I decided to make another one. And just a run through of our ingredients, guys. Here we have some beetroot. I have a lovely beetroot. I'm also going to use turmeric, fresh turmeric. You can use a powder if that's what's available to you. And also I'm going to use orange, lime or lemon. Yes, lime or lemon. And of course, our fresh ginger root. And I'm going to wash my ingredients properly. And we prep this immune booster shots, okay? So just watch the steps, guys. Quick note guys, when you're using the beetroot and the turmeric, don't do as I do. Please put your gloves on to prevent staining of the hands. And guys, wash your cutting board instant to prevent staining. Okay, just a quick tip there. Using a juicer will save you a lot of time while making this, but since I don't have a juicer, I'm going to use my blender, and I'm going to do this in 2 batches. I'm just adding the ingredients to my blender, and I'm going to add like 3/4 cups of water for each batch, and I blend and strain, and we repeat for the other batch, then we double strain. Then we'll come back then. And if you're watching to this far and you haven't subscribed, please do so at this moment. And very important, please put your bell on so you won't miss future uploads. And thank you for all my returning supporters. Appreciate you all. First time coming on board, welcome. So just continue watching guys. Okay guys, now that we have double strain, here I'm adding black pepper. Black pepper helps to release all the good benefits from the turmeric. And I'm just going to use honey to sweeten. We don't need a lot. And we're just going to mix that. And we're going to store these in tight seal bottles. These can serve up to a week in your fridge if stored properly. So just keep on watching guys. And here we have come to the end of the video. Please give this one a try. And as I mentioned earlier, I have another one that I made last year. I'm getting a lot of good feedback from that one. So please try out this one. And for our daily intake, I'll be taking a shot glass once or twice a day. Very good for our immune system, guys. That's the best we can do for our body these days. At least we know that it's natural. So do enjoy this one, guys, and thank you all so much for watching, and until next time, guys, stay safe, stay blessed. Bye for now.